here we are, and we have this drain. Sorry for the wind. I'm visiting, and we have this drain. It is clogged up. There's logging stuff here, but let's unclog it. I don't care that it's going in here because it's a big pipe. I know it's going to flush through. It's just silt. And there's one on the other side. It's a classic trains. This is a business park that they built, but not a ton of customers are in it yet. But yes. Sorry for the sunlight. See in there, there's also this piece of concrete, but this is so true. This is by far the worst one I've seen. All the other ones I didn't make videos because they're not worth it. But this is just because one, it's fun to do. There's purposes to this. Like this. Any type of water will flush this through. It's not like it's going to clog it. And there we are. Perfectly good. See if you can get inside. No, you cannot. It's a classic drain. Man. So, thanks so much for watching. That they hope for some people to build, but there's a sidewalk right there that has dirt on top of it, which is annoying, but you know what can we do? Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.